Hello, welcome back, my dear children. Hope you are staying healthy at your home. Do you remember what did we learn in the last class? Yes, you are correct. The story of the Pied Piper of Hamelin. Okay, where is Hamelin? Yes, you are right. It is in Germany. Okay. What is the problem faced by the people of Hamelin? Yes, very good. The town was full of rats. What happened then? Yes, there came a man who comes to the town of Hamelin with a magic pipe at the time of a crisis and offers help to the people. Okay? Then the mayor promised him 10,000 gold coins as a reward. The stranger agreed and he walked out the street and started playing his pipe. By hearing this beautiful tone, thousands of rats came from all directions and followed him to the sea. It was an extraordinary sight for the people of the Hamelin. Okay, students, are you ready for today's class? Okay, take your text page number 128. Let's see what happened later. I'll read the passage, listen carefully and read with me. The stranger played the pipe continuously and walked right into the sea. The rats followed him in large numbers and all of them were caught by the waves which dragged them into the sea. All the rats of Hamelin were drowned. The strange piper thus got rid of all the rats. He kept his word. Okay, my dears, I will give the detailed explanation. Look here, my dear children. The stranger continuously played the pipe and walked straight into the sea. Then loads of rats followed him and all of them were caught by the waves and dragged them into the sea. Drag means to pull somebody or something by force. Here the waves pulled all the rats into the sea. Thus all the rats of Hamelin drowned. Drown means to die because of the overflow of water. Now the stranger could get rid of all the rats. Get rid of means to make yourself free of something disturbing you. Okay, my dears, shall we move on to the next passage? Listen to me. The stranger approached the mayor for his reward. The mayor and the townspeople enjoyed watching the bizarre sight. But the mayor had changed his mind. When the stranger went to him, he said, "It is a wonderful task you have accomplished, but isn't 10,000 gold coin as hefty reward for a day's work? I will pay you 500 gold coins." The stranger looked at the mayor and then walked out. Okay, my dears, listen to me. I will give the detailed explanation. Look, the stranger got rid of all the rats of Hamelin and then he went to the mayor to his reward. The mayor and his people enjoyed watching the bizarre sight. Bizarre means very strange. But at that time, the mayor had changed his mind. He told the stranger that you have done a great job, but a day's reward is 10,000 gold coins. It is a hefty reward. Hefty means larger than usual or expected. It is not possible. I will pay you 500 gold coins. The stranger didn't say anything and looked at the mayor. Then he walked out. Okay, my dears, shall we move on to the next passage? Okay, let's see what happened after that. In the street, he pulled out his pipe again and started playing it. This time it was a different sound but airy as well. All the children of Hamelin started to follow the stranger. He walked out of the town and disappeared into the mountains. The children followed him. Their parents wept. Where had the stranger taken their children? They complained to the mayor, but he was helpless. He felt guilty that he had been dishonest with the stranger. Okay, my dears, listen to me, I'll give the detailed explanation. The stranger came out from the mayor's office. In the street, he pulled out his pipe again. He started to playing it. Then came a different sound and all the children of Hamelin started to follow him. It's the first time what happened when the airy sound came from the pipe. Yes, very good. All the rats followed him. But here what happened? Yes, you are right. All the children of Hamelin followed him. He walked out of town with children and disappeared into the mountain. The parents of the children wept bitterly. They don't know where had the stranger taken their children. So they complained to the mayor. But he was helpless. He felt guilty because he had been dishonest with the stranger. That is, he didn't keep his words. The mayor promised him 10,000 gold coins. But here the mayor couldn't keep his words. That's why he was the responsible one for the lives of the children there. Okay, my dears, hope you enjoyed the story very much. You must read the passage 3 times as homework. Now is the time to wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.